rubber gloves to ground yourself, a screwdriver, the CPU, central processing unit, a heatsink, a heatsink fan, RAM, random access memory, hard drive, optical drive, and the power supply, which consists of the 8-pin connector, the 24-pin ATX connector, the SATA power connector, and the 4-pin ATX 12-volt power connector, the case, and of course you need the brains, the motherboard.
Hello, my name is Ariana, and today I'll show you how to install the CPU. In this video, I'm aligning the CPU in its socket. Once you gently place it down, make sure it's secure and pull its protector down. Apply pressure to its lever gently. You have now finished installing your CPU.
Hi, I'm Jacoby. Here is the fan, the heatsink, and now I'm going to assemble them together. I'm going to make sure that it's lined up with the hose, and now input the screws into the hose that's lined up on top of the heatsink. And now I'm about to screw them in. Make sure all screws are in firmly.
The heatsink has aluminum ridges that transfer the heat from the CPU. Once the heatsink has accumulated the heat, the fan blows the heat away.
Now I'm making sure there's some thermal paste on top of my CPU before assembling it to the motherboard. Make sure you screw all 4 corners and connect your power cord to your motherboard.
Hi, my name is Joshua Lewis, and today I'm going to show you how to install your RAM. I have two 2GB RAM cards here that will be inserted into the motherboard. On both sides of the RAM slots, you will see 2 fastening clips. As you push firmly on the card, you will feel them fasten and lock the RAM card into place tightly. Once you feel them fasten tightly, you know that your RAM has been inserted completely.
Hi, I'm Jalen. Here I have the optical drive. It will be inserted in the slot shown at the front of the computer case. When inserted correctly, the blue latch will click into place. Next, I have the hard drive. It comes in the blue case with arrows that show which direction to insert it. You will insert it at an angle and make sure the blue latch clicks into place.
Hi, I'm LaShawn, and I'll be showing you how to put in the power supply. This is the power source and all of the power connectors I told you about in the beginning of the video. You're going to take the 3 screws provided and insert your power supply gently. Be very careful. Align it with the screw holes and attach all 3 screws. This is much easier to do with a magnetized screwdriver. Align all of the power supply cords in the correct positions. Attach the 24-pin power connector to the motherboard, and then the 4-pin power connector. Make sure to connect the SATA power as well. Alright, that's it. And you now have a well put together computer with all of the needed components to successfully run an operating system.
Now you know how to build a computer! Thanks for watching!